In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Google Chrome Auto Sign-In. If you're tired of Chrome automatically logging you into every Google site you visit, this walkthrough will help you take back control and keep your browsing separate from your Google account unless you explicitly choose to sign in. First, with Chrome open, look to the top right corner of the window. Click the three dots to open the menu, then choose Settings. This is where Chrome keeps all the controls for privacy, syncing, and how your browser behaves across devices. In the Settings page, focus on the section labeled You and Google. Click on Sync and Google Services. This area manages how Chrome connects to your Google account and what kinds of data get shared or synced. Even if you don't use Sync, it's worth knowing what's enabled here so you can tailor Chrome to your preferences. Now, scroll down until you see the heading Other Google Services. Under this list, find the option labeled Allow Chrome Sign-In. Toggle this off. Turning this setting off stops Chrome from automatically signing the browser itself into your Google account when you sign in on a Google website like Gmail or YouTube. In other words, you can still sign into a site to check your email, but Chrome won't link the entire browser session to your account unless you decide to do that manually. After you switch it off, Chrome will prompt you to apply the change. Click Relaunch. Chrome will close and reopen quickly, and your open tab should come right back. This relaunch is normal and necessary, so the new sign-in behavior takes effect immediately. From now on, you'll stay signed out of Google sites until you choose to log in manually. This can help keep your browsing more private on shared or work computers, and it reduces the chance of blending personal data with other sessions. Disabling Auto Sign-In does not delete your bookmarks, saved passwords, or history. It simply prevents Chrome from attaching your browser to a Google account automatically. If you ever want to revert this behavior, just return to the same place in Settings and turn Allow Chrome Sign-In back on. And if your Settings page looks a little different, don't worry. Chrome updates its layout from time to time, but the option typically lives under You and Google, within Sync and Google Services. That's it. You've disabled Auto Sign-In in Chrome and put yourself in charge of when and where you log in. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more intentional, privacy-friendly browsing experience.